Hello, my name's Hazel and I'm going to tell you about our plant of the week. Here we have Chaenomeles, very strange word isn't it, but better known as an ornamental quince. So these are really easy to grow, hardy, deciduous shrubs. The only thing you do have to watch out for is that some of them are quite spiny, so they do make a really good burglar deterrent. They are also beautiful flowering plants for this time of year. So they're really good for pollinators that come out early, and today on this really bright but cold winter day they really shine brightly in the garden. Now they can get quite big, so the white one here, Nivalis, can reach 2.5 by 5 metres, so that is pretty big. And the smaller one here, so this one is called Pink Lady, this one can get to about 1.5 by 2 metres. Now, from the way that they grow, you can see here that they're really good for fan training against a wall. And you can imagine, with this fan trained against a wall, what a lovely show that will make in the winter to the early spring, with the branches covered in beautiful small pink flowers. Maybe a few bees buzzing around, that'd be beautiful. They are really happy in almost any kind of soil except really alkaline soils, and they just make such a wonderful shrub. This one is particularly popular, and I think it's probably because it really doesn't seem to have any spikes on it at all. But the other ones are also very popular, and this red one here is called Crimson and Gold. It does have some really beautiful flowers on it too, and the flowers will extend all the way from up to the tips of the branches as the shrub gets bigger. So really fantastic, and they are followed, the flowers are followed by these ornamental quince. So they are like the size of a large plum, but they're quite sort of yellowy greeny in colour, and although they're ornamental quince, you can actually cook them and use them to make jams and jellies, but you must remove the seeds first because the seeds are toxic. So you take those out so you can cook them, or you could just leave them on the plant to look good. So grow them in fertile soil, well-drained soil, in full sun or a little bit of shade, and if they are getting a little bit too big, it's very easy that after they've finished flowering, you can just cut them back a little bit to a good bud.